What's up, Sushi Lords family? Namaste and a greeting from SUSHIMAN Santosh. Today I'm gonna show you how to make teriyaki sauce. That is the very simple and easy homemade teriyaki sauce recipe. Teriyaki sauce we can use with a variety of sushi like gunkan, nigiri, aburi sushi, dragon sushi, double salmon sushi, sushi roll. With different kinds of sushi we can use that kinds of teriyaki sauce. But some people call it eel sauce and unagi sauce also. But this is the very basic and easy teriyaki sauce recipe. Okay. Not only in the sushi, that teriyaki sauce recipe we can use for the pork, chicken, beef, even with the vegan. So that is the all kinds of versatile sauce. I don't like to say Swiss sauce. So to make the teriyaki sauce, I have the here ingredients. Let's start to make. Firstly, I'll show you. I have the ginger, that is the garlic, and to make the teriyaki sauce, especially I love to say the base is the marine soya and sugar, and that is the optional. That is the honey, and that is the sake also optional. And some people use the cornstarch also, and some people use the miso paste also. I don't like to use these ones. Lots of sushi chefs, they have their own recipe, so that is the very simple and basic. So you don't need to be a master sushi chef to make these ones. You can make it very easily at your homes. Let's start to make for the recipe. To make the teriyaki sauce, I love to use the ginger and garlic because the ginger and garlic will give the extra flavor and extra texture and strong flavor. I like it. I really like it. Okay, I have here the soya. That is the Kikkoman soya. We don't need to be a very different kinds of soya. That is the very normal soya. And that is the mirin. That is the sweet rice wine. And that is the honey, sake, ginger and garlic, and the sugar. I'm going to tell you the secret recipe, okay? Normally, I told you before my video, I told you equal quantity of the soya, sugar and mirin. Yes, that is a very simple way. But here I'm adding the sake and the honey, ginger and garlic. That is the optional. If you don't want, you can use just 3 ingredients in the equal quantity. Here I'm gonna use the 200 ml soya, 200 ml mirin, equal quantity of the soya and mirin, 150 gram sugar, 50 gram honey and 50 ml sake, and more and less 30 gram ginger and 4-5 pieces of the garlic. Let's go. Firstly, I love to use the mirin and sake. When the mirin and sake started boil, then I'm gonna add the soya, honey. I want to add at last, because the honey will go in the downside because the density of the honey is too much rather than the other, so it will start to burn in the cooking time. So I'm gonna use the firstly mirin and sake. Okay, I told you before 200 ml mirin. I'm gonna use the 200 ml mirin. Okay, 198, 199. Let's get it 200. Yes, 201. Now I'm gonna put the 50 ml sake. Yes, we have the 50 ml sake. I'm gonna put the here 200 ml the soya. $147, $48, $166 and $95, $96. Yes, that is the 200 ml soya. I'm gonna put here. Now I'm gonna use 50 ml honey. Okay, let's go. 39, 47. It's okay. I have here the sake and mirin. Here is the soya. Here is honey. Now we have to put the 200 gram sugar. Five ingredients. Okay, here I have the 3 ingredients. Here I have the 2 ingredients. Now I'm gonna put here and I'm gonna do one thing. I love to use the ginger and garlic because ginger and garlic is naturally they are the bomb, for the body, good and for the health. That's why when we are eating the sushi also we are using pickled ginger also. Now I have here the garlic. I'm gonna use 3 or 4 for this quantity of ingredients. It's enough for the 4 or 5. Okay, firstly I'll cut these ones and I'm gonna mash it. It will be easy to take out the skins, okay, the outside layer. I'm gonna take out this black part and I'm gonna cut. It's around 30 gram ginger and four pieces of the garlic. Okay. Here's my ginger and garlic. So now I'm gonna teach you how to cook. The cooking process is different also with these ones. So I'm gonna cook, and how much consistency you need, I'll show you in the cooking time also. Okay, let's go in the kitchen. Now I started to cook mirin and sake. When it started to boil, I'm gonna add the soya and sugar, and after that I'm gonna put the honey. After when it's all the boiled, I'm gonna use the ginger and garlic. Firstly, I'll make the little bit more heat, then after I'm gonna make very slow cooking heat, so it will cook very well. Okay, as you can see here, it started to boil it, so now I'm gonna add the soya. And mix it very well, because this side is very caramelized sized. So I'm gonna take out. Now it's boiling. Now I'm gonna add the sugar. When you started to put the sugar, you have to make the low heat. Yeah, this is the small one, so I'm gonna use this ones. Yes. Now I'm gonna use the sugar. Okay. Mix it very well, otherwise sugar will start to burn in the downside. Mix it very well till the sugar melted very well. One thing is important, so I have to tell you, my sister's family, when you are cooking here, you can see here the burning part. That part is giving the very good taste for the teriyaki sauce, you know. So we have to take all the burning part and mix very well, so the textures and flavor will be really good. And now it's started to already boiling it. Now I'm gonna add the honey, ginger and garlic. Okay. Now I'm adding the honey. That is the 50 ml of the honey. There is the ginger and garlic. I'm gonna add now. Another important thing is when you are cooking, now you have to make the very low heat. Cook very well. Wait till its consistency become very good. It's a thickness, how much thickness you want, you can make it. I'll cook, normally it's a 40 minutes, 40 to 50 minutes. If I want the thick teriyaki sauce, I can cook it till 1 hour and 1.5 hours. So the consistency will be very good. Every sushi chef and every chef, they have their own teriyaki sauce recipe, but that is the very simple and homemade, very easy teriyaki sauce recipe. To make the thickness, some people use the cornstarch. I'm not using here for the fish. They use miso paste also. So I'm not using here any kinds of things to make the thickness. So I'm just using soya, sugar, mirin, sake, and ginger and garlic, and the honey. 7 ingredients with ginger and garlic. Let's see. Yes, nice. It's good. I'll wait till 40 minutes. If I want to make the little bit thickness, I'll wait a little bit more times. Oh, it's coming out. It's boiling. Let's take out. Yes. Okay, nice. It's going very good. Now as you can see, the consistency also very good. Now I'm gonna turn off the gas, and after being it's a cool, it will be a little bit thickness, so it's good. Let's turn off the gas. Okay, okay, Sushi Lovers family, finally I have here the teriyaki sauce I already made. Now how to preserve it? Now I'm gonna drain it. Let's see. Okay, that is our teriyaki sauce. Very simple and homemade teriyaki sauce. As you can see here, it's already cooled down, so I'm gonna put in the jar so we can use till 1 month. Nice. Yes, finally I have here the teriyaki sauce. Yes, it's a very good consistency. Nice. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos about sushi and that kinds of sauce recipe. See you in the next video. Have a good day.